morning, y'all. It is New Year's Eve. I am Sheree.
I'm London.
And you are now tuning in to Slaying It with Ray. If you're not yet a member of the Slay Gang and you would like to become one, make sure you mash that subscribe button for me. If you're a returning member of the Slay Gang, then welcome back. So, right now we're getting ready to head out to go grocery shopping because we need some groceries. And also, I need to get some like cleaning supplies because we're gonna clean the house.
Yeah.
Before New Year's, because they say you're not supposed to clean on New Year's. So we're trying to get all that done today.
So we can be happy and ready for New Year.
Yes, because it's a new year. And we got to get ready.
Yep.
New Year.
I love the New Year's. I like the fireworks.
Yeah, you can't go into the New Year with the same stuff from the last year. Everything needs to be clean and all that stuff.
Yeah,
so
we can't forget the fireworks too.
Yeah, but we won't be having any fireworks. Maybe because we stay like 5 minutes from Busch Gardens, so maybe Busch Gardens will be doing some fireworks that we'll be able to see.
Last time we were done, Jojo, he had fireworks.
Yeah, I know. I remember I did that vlog. I put a vlog up there when he did it.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so I'm about to blend my leave out because if you're familiar with my channel, you know I cut my hair. But it's not hard for me to blend my leave out, and I'm going to show y'all how you can blend your leave out so it'll look nice and blended with your weave. And this is some Master Mix hair. I've been seeing how popular like Master Mix hair is. I wouldn't recommend.
The ghetto!
I'll probably only keep this in for about a week. Just because of the simple fact that I literally feel like I brush my hair like 100 times a day, so I wouldn't recommend doing Master Mix. If you do want to have some hair that lasts a while, get you some Remy hair or some virgin hair. But yeah, not the Master Mix. Like, it's pretty when you brush it, but like once you start moving around and it starts like tangling and all that stuff, you gotta brush it like 1,000 times. You gotta keep it brushing it. Okay, yep. So to blend my leave out, I like to use the Slick Stick and this Chi finishing holding spray. So first I
see her do everything.
Yeah. First I take my Slick Stick and I just put that on there just to give it a nice blend.
And I know the Slick Stick is.
What, wax?
Yeah.
Yep. And then
you okay?
Yeah, just choked on my spit. I just put it in the place where I want it to be. To lay down those spots. Y'all see that?
I see it.
You see it, Will?
Yeah, I see it.
And then just brush it down. Because I don't flat iron my leave out. The only time I flat iron my leave out is when I do my hair. Like when I first do the install, that's the only time I flat iron it. Because if you're constantly flat ironing your leave out, you're going to be burning your hair off. And
yeah, that's correct.
Right. We don't want that.
Yeah, it might burn all your hair off.
Right. And then I'm just going to seal it with this Chi. Just press that down.
What do you think was going on with my because I once just got on here. Oh, I just got
okay, so now I'm ready, y'all.
Hey, y'all, this is Duty.
I just need to put my glasses on.
This is Duty.
DJ, you gonna say hello? Can you say hello? Say hello, world. Say, I am DJ.
Aw, he's a cute little boy.
He is. Say, I'm DJ. Hello.
He's spoiled.
He's very spoiled. Okay, y'all, so we're about to get ready to head out, and then I'll see y'all when we're in the car. The lines in here are freaking crazy, so I'm about to go ahead and try to jump this line. This is my basket. I'm about to try to get in line because this is like ridiculous. You would think it's still the holiday time or something like I mean, it is, but you would think people are still like getting Christmas stuff. It is crazy in here. All right, y'all, so I just got back in the car from Walmart. The lines was literally to the back and they only had self-checkout lines open. The cashiers were not working. They were working, but they were just standing there looking at people instead of like being at the registers. So Walmart needs to be ashamed of themselves. And tonight we got some
karaoke.
1800
And karaoke.
And we're gonna do karaoke night. We might watch a movie.
And up
Then we should
some
let them
and
watch
get
the
some
movie.
and have this.
Yep, I got
Remember that
some.
movie you said last night
Which one?
that was on the Fire Stick?
Yeah.
When you turned it on, you was like, we gotta watch that with the kids.
Oh, Sing. So they got because the new one, they just brought out a new one in the movies right now, Sing 2. But I said we need to watch the first one on Sing because when I put the Fire Stick on, Sing was right there. And I've been trying to find that movie for a minute for the kids to watch, but I couldn't find it. I really need my Carmex. I feel like my lips are so chapped. So tonight's menu is going to be meatballs because Daquan loves meatballs, little smokies, and then we're gonna do some dip. But I don't think I'm gonna do. I want to do like a cheesy type of dip, not the regular kind we be doing with like the sausage and rotel and whatever. I want to do like some Velveeta, some hamburger meat, some cheese, something like that. What you think?
Alright.
I haven't had Little Smokies in a minute, but I've been wanting some Little Smokies for a while.
Beginning New Year's as a family.
Yeah, just us, because y'all, COVID is getting real out here. Like this new strand is going around. Even the other strands, like they're just going around. COVID in general is getting real. Y'all gotta stay. Yeah, y'all gotta stay safe out here. Protect yourselves. Wear your mask.
Definitely.
And be careful out here because it's definitely going around. Try to stay home if you can stay home. Like, don't go out and be about if you don't have to go out and be about. No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. I want to go get me a smoothie.
Oh, let's go get a smoothie. Get right here, right there. Y'all, tropical smoothies. Got
Once
the
my
best
mom
smoothies.
got me a real smoothie. It was delicious.
Mm-hmm.
It was strawberry.
Yeah, tropical smoothie. I typically
I
get.
think the smoothie was strawberry.
Yeah, I got them the strawberry ones.
I typically get
And Brian wanted
the
to
Muscle
say
Blaster
information.
with
Whey protein. That's what I get. Like, I had tried his. What did I get before? I had got something peach.
I still like the strawberry. I want the strawberry one.
Okay, I had got some type of peach one, and then I had tried some of his, and that's literally what I've been getting every time we
And
go
this
down.
one,
Okay, so first I'm gonna do meatballs. So I'm using home style meatballs.
you already know about meatballs.
Take a pack of, not a whole pack, but just one packet of the Lipton beefy onion mix. And Because it's only us. I'm just making small batches of everything. Like, everything is going to be like small portions. Alright, y'all, excuse how I look because I've been cleaning up, cooking, all that stuff. We're about to do family karaoke night. My best friend's got my kids this karaoke machine right here, so we're about to use it. Y'all don't mind the mess. We're still trying to put their Christmas stuff up.
Guys, ready?
Alright, wait, you said what, babe?
I'm gonna start the karaoke night off like this tonight. Dedicating it to mommy, showing her how much I love her.
Okay, I feel that.
I'll be singing Mario Tower.
Next up on the list we have Mommy performing. Mommy and Raya. Okay, Raya's turn. Let's see what Raya's performing.
Y'all, so right now we're just vibing out, having some family karaoke time.
I did karaoke.
Yeah, so you sounded amazing.
Yeah, you did.
What song should we do for Raya?
Cocomelon for her.
Cocomelon, what song though?
The wheels on the bus.
Yeah, Wheels on the Bus.
There we go.
Okay, guys, we'll be back after this commercial break. The next performer you'll see after the commercial will be Mommy.
Yeah, can I just tell them a joke?
You want to tell jokes while it's on commercial? Okay, go ahead.
So why does the horse get abandoned?
Why does the horse get abandoned? Well,
He tells me what to do.
That is too funny, though.
that is hilarious.
Yep. Okay. Why does the man lose his phone?
Why?
He never keeps up with it, then he finds it in the toilet.
Hey, Lonnie, you're so funny. I can't laugh anymore. My stomach gets hurt.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So we got the daiquiris going on right now, right? I use this daiquiri mix, strawberry daiquiri mix, and then I use some Ready Whip. Yeah, she has a virgin daiquiris. I made them virgin daiquiris, right? So we got the daiquiri mix, got the whipped cream, 1800, buzzing on the beat, okay? And then I got some frozen fruit. You can use whatever frozen fruit you want. Oh, and ice. So I got all that in there, and I'm about to add the whipped cream. Cause this, and I don't know why the whipped cream ain't whipping. It's a little watery right now, but once it's blended in, it's gonna be good. Give it a good little shake. Okay, go. I didn't put any liquor in it. Y'all, I didn't put none of the 1800 in there. There we go. We're experiencing technical difficulties. Give me about 5. Now we're back. Go ask Daddy, when is he gonna make these chicken wings?
Daddy!
Okay, y'all, so we're about to put our New Year's hats on. Raya, you want your hat? I'll give Daquan his whenever he comes down here because he still gotta fix the wings. We're hungry. We're ready to eat.
We're starving. I feel like eating a horse.
Yeah. What? It's supposed to be like this.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go.
I look like a birthday
It's a
girl.
headband. Turn your head this way.
I look like a birthday girl now.
Here, Raya. Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Yeah, Happy New Year. People letting out fireworks already. So it's 8:59. So that means we have 3 hours until it's 12 o'clock. Are you excited?
Yeah, because I want to go see those fireworks.
And I'm letting her stay up until 12 so she can bring in the New Year with us.
Mm-hmm.
But then guess what?
Mm-hmm.
After that, you gotta go to bed.
Mm-hmm. We can then we have to watch TV, put our electronics, put our toys, anything.
Tomorrow.
Try
Say whoop whoop.
Woohoo!
Whoop whoop.
Woo-hoo!
2022.
2022!
Whoop whoop whoop.
Woo-hoo!
2022.
2022!
We just need a beat.
2022!
2022.
2022!
2022. 2022. Go, Raya. 2022. 2022. 2022. 2022. We got the little smokies, the dip, and the meatballs. And my honey is making the wings. Happy New Year, y'all. It is 2022. It is New Year's Day. And y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, like I did not stay up until 12 o'clock. I went to sleep 15 minutes before 12 simply because I had the worst headache and I just needed to go to sleep and recharge. I didn't even pop open our bottle of champagne or none of that. So I'm gonna do that today. For this part of the video, I wanna do my 2021 recap. I had a lot of highs, I had some lows. But I feel like I had more highs than lows, and I feel like my lows were basically like learning lessons for me of how to do things moving forward. I'm very excited for 2022. I got a new planner. I'm gonna show all of that to y'all because I'm doing my vision board video, which I'm so excited. I've printed out all my pictures for the vision board, so I just have to get my stuff for the vision board. That'll be uploaded next week, so hopefully by Friday I can have that video up. And I'm going to be talking to y'all about how I'm going to move forward with 2022 as far as my business, my life, and all of that stuff. I am going to be consistent for this year and more years to come. I just want to shout y'all out too because we went from, I want to say under 10K this year to being at 22K. So like, y'all, thank y'all so much for all the support that y'all have shown my channel. Thank you so much for all the love that y'all have given my channel. I really appreciate it. And I'm so happy that y'all think my videos are helpful. I'm so happy that y'all like the tips that I give y'all. I'm so happy that y'all like my work. And yeah, like just stay tuned because it's up this year. Like it's up. Business moves is up. Y'all just stay tuned. Keep on rocking with me. And I appreciate y'all so much. But yeah, Happy New Year, and let's get it. We're out. See y'all in the next video.